Well, that baby's death is fueling an intense debate here in Florida, where we've seen at least 21 cases of people getting Zika in South Florida from local mosquitoes now. And Florida Senator Marco Rubio recently adding fuel to the fire when he said women with Zika should not be allowed to get abortions, even if they know the baby will be born with a deformed brain. In your corner, Sam Sosa, working to get you all sides of this controversial story. Sam?
Well, Patrick, I started by going to a local doctor to ask her how exactly Zika affects a baby's development. These images show what can happen when the mother of an unborn baby gets Zika.
What it can do is it can cross into the womb, and one of the side effects or birth defects that are linked with it is microcephaly.
I asked Dr. Krista Zivkovic what that actually means.
Brain development is abnormal, and therefore the head and the skull development also follows. So everything is much smaller. Micro meaning small, cephaly meaning head.
That can mean seizures, the inability to speak or even swallow, hearing and vision loss, even death. But not always.
It does not mean instant death. It does not mean that they can't be functional. It just usually means that they will require special services.
And this pro-life group in Cape Coral says all babies deserve the chance to live, even if their brains are severely underdeveloped.
If you're looking for a perfect society, and then you would abort imperfect children, and you're aligning yourself pretty close to Hitler.
She's aligned with Senator Marco Rubio, who says women shouldn't be allowed to terminate a pregnancy even if that baby doesn't have the best chance of living.
That's God's plan. If that baby is born and God takes that baby's life, then he fulfilled his purpose. But as men, we shouldn't make that choice.
A choice this doctor says should also be left to the mother.
If they know that there's going to be a complication, they have that choice to decide what they want to do, knowing what the consequence can be if they proceed and knowing what the consequence will be if they choose not to proceed. I cannot judge a woman's decision for that.
And the debate has also become a key issue in the U.S. Senate race. Marco Rubio's running for re-election and has also said women shouldn't be allowed to get abortions even if they're raped or victims of incest. His Democratic challengers Patrick Murphy and Alan Grayson have blasted him, saying he's an extremist working to keep women from making their own health choices. Live in the newsroom, Sam Sosa, Fox 4, in your corner.
Okay.